Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Today I want to discuss with you some of the job which we have. One is mechanical engineer, petrol mechanic with VA experience. Location Dubai. Accommodation provided. The duty is 10 hours, 1 day off, weekly salary is 25,000. Any nationality commission is applied on that. The second one is that you must send your picture of your work. Second one is that aluminium profession. Can you send me your work? Salary 13 to 16. Visit provided. Kalli Walli can apply. 8 hours duty and there is overtime. Any national. 1 day week. 1 day off in a week. Commission is applied. Third one is map interview Tuesday. Electrician, Plumber, HVAC multi-technician. Salary is 14,000 to 200 depending on the experience only. Visa, housing, transportation and medical insurance by the company. Minimum 1 year UA experience in maintaining company. Immediate joiner can apply for that. These are the jobs that I can discuss with you. Please share your resume and experience. I can give you the number. You can contact with that person for the job, and please do not pay any money to any person. That's it. Okay, see you maybe the next video.